Goddag og velkommen til Vinadstykning 48 timer i Danmark. Jeg hedder Jeremy Jones, og jeg kommer fra Minneapolis. Good day and hello and welcome to my application for 48 Hours in Denmark. My name is Jeremy Jones and I come from Minneapolis, Minnesota. I actively tweet. I am a great writer, which makes for great blog reading, and I'd really like to take advantage of the features of iLife09, iPhoto, which help with geotagging to enhance the experience. Now, the interesting thing about those photos, which were taken in Copenhagen, end of 2006, is that there aren't a lot of people in those photos, and that's my main reason for pursuing this. I want to use Twitter, and I want to use the various digital tools to reach out to people through promoting the event beforehand, to get in touch with and have spontaneous meetups with as many interested parties as possible in my trip for 48 hours in Denmark. It's not really so much an event, so much as a little unfinished business to go out there and show the world what you can do with Twitter, blogging, photos, and make this a real experience, one that couldn't be had through any other methods. My experience with digital media, my great photography skills, writing, as well as my enthusiasm for Denmark, the Danish language, Danish people, should hold me in good stead. I promise this is going to be an exciting 48 hours in Denmark, and I hope you'll join me. And I hope that we'll see each other soon. Thanks.